Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's look at Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq, the weekly chart on Nasdaq. We have broken above this previous resistance. This was my price target, 13,730, and we are above that area now. Very bullish, even too bullish you might say, but we are on our way to 15,274. Yes, this range 14,868, 15,274. This is my price target. This area is my price target. How many weeks we are going to spend here in this range, I don't know. We are too bullish, so we might have pullbacks. We will see what happens here. Let's go over to the daily chart. So this is Nasdaq and the daily chart on Nasdaq, and on the daily we are very bullish. We haven't even touched the 20 EMA lately. Very bullish. RSI is above 70. A little bearish divergence, one might say. So we need to be prepared for pullbacks. I wonder if there's anything else. However, yeah, we can come back down to touch the 20 EMA anytime. So if we are, I would long this, but we need to be prepared for pullbacks as well. Good. Let's go over to Sp500. So this is the daily chart on Sp500, and on the daily we are bullish. With Sp500 we came down to the 20-day EMA, spent a lot of time here, even 50, even below 50, but 4072 proved to be strong support. We are above that area, even above 4200, so we are on our way to 4327. That's my price target, and I had a price target for quite a long time now. We almost got there, 4300. So 4327, we might turn around here in this area. We will see what happens here. If we break above, probably we will go to 4400. Let's go over to Dow Jones daily chart. This is the daily chart on Dow Jones, and on the daily, finally we have a big green candle. We broke above this falling trend line. We had a death cross here. However, this is a W pattern, and we hit the price target out of this W pattern. And now we are at sort of resistance, 33,835-ish area is going to be a little resistance for us. We might spend some time here, have a pullback even before coming back up to 34,300, even 34,350. Let's look at the weekly chart. So this is Dow Jones on the weekly chart, and what's happening here on the weekly? The question is, are we developing an inverse head and shoulder pattern here? We might, if we come back to the previously mentioned area, 34,200, then let me see. I'm going to try to draw this is interesting, inverse head and shoulder pattern, something like that. So if we come back down to this neckline, then should make it a little bit thicker. My price target is going to be just a second. This is the weekly, so it might take weeks to hit my price target. So my price target is 36,458. And previous all-time high is 36,830. So this is telling me that if we can break above this neckline, we are going back up to all-time high area. Very interesting. Will be very tradable on the weekly. Of course, if we are trading on the weekly chart, we will have to wait for weeks to maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, but even more weeks if we want. We need to be patient too, so that our price target will be hit. Now let's go over to Germany. This is the German index weekly chart. On the German index DAX, we have a nice uptrend. We had this inverse head and shoulder pattern, very bullish. I shared the price target out of this pattern. We came back down to the 2020 EMA on the weekly, offers strong support. We turned around. This is going to be a bullish turnaround candle, so I expect next week to be bullish, and we might develop a green candle here on the weekly chart for Germany. Let's go over to Japan. This is the Japanese index Nikkei weekly chart. We are very green on the weekly. We are off to the sky. I'm very careful here because yeah, it's long, but unfortunately in this chart I cannot see the previous highs. Maybe we are at all-time high. I need to check the Japanese index. So anyway, we have these 3 green candles, suggesting that probably next week we will have a green candle again. So this is Japan, and let's have a quick look at Russell, because Russell is interesting to me. So this is the weekly chart on Russell, and we broke above the 20 EMA. That's a very good sign. We are on our way to touch the 50 EMA, 1845. So this is my prediction. We are going to touch 1845. Should we break above 1845, then and of course this could be a W pattern here, bullish pattern, then my first price target will be 1930. Above 1930, I think we are going to go to 2016. This is my prediction, and it seems to me that finally Russell is coming out of the mud and starting to go to the sky. So, but first, of course, this is my price target. After this, we might spend some time here, have a pullback even down to the 20 EMA, but then yeah, we will see. We will have to watch that, but looks bullish. Very optimistic about this index as well. Let's have a quick look at the daily chart. Russell daily. Ooh, what a big green candle, and we are almost at the 200 EMA. 1830 could be resistance for a while, but of course on the weekly we are on our way to the previously mentioned target price. That's all for now. See you next time.